Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute square and we're gonna make a bag with it. Of course you can use it anywhere you want. You can make bigger bags, baby blankets, TV blankets, bed covers, even cardigans. For this one I use 4mm hook and this yarn. It's so hard to find this yarn for you, so it's a size 3 yarn. 100 grams is 200 meters. It's an acrylic and cotton blend. You can find a similar yarn. Cotton yarns will be better, of course. And you will need a needle, scissors. That's all. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. I'm gonna start with a magic ring. If you're a starter, you can make 5 chains and insert from the first chain, make a ring and work around it. For the magic ring, it's not so hard to make, by the way, just try it. Hold this yarn with your fingers, wrap it, and wrap it around your fingers one more time, but this time make a cross. Hold the yarn, insert your hook under this first strand, grab the second one, make a twist, grab the same yarn, make a chain. And that's our magic ring. We are gonna work around it. Chain one more. Do not count this as a stitch, okay? Insert here, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's a double crochet. I'm gonna show you one more time. What happened? He bite me. Just sit here, okay? I'm terrified right now. Insert, grab the yarn, pull through. Oh! I'm gonna turn back in a second. I'm not sure why he did this, but you can see the results. I think. Now, yarn over. Insert, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. We are gonna make totally 12 double crochets here. We made 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now he's sleeping like nothing happened. Oh, it hurts. Just close the ring nicely and tightly. Insert from this first stitch. Grab this tail and put it on your hook. Make a slip stitch, then make one more chain just to secure. Cut your yarn. Now grab the second color. I use white. Make a slip knot. I'm gonna start with a standing double crochet. Just wrap the yarn around your hook. Insert from here, from the stitch, okay, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now I'm gonna hide this tail too. I will work around these ones and hide this one too. Insert same place, make a double crochet. Now there's another way which I like to use to hide this tail. Yarn over and yarn over this tail. Insert same place, grab the yarn. You see I have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm gonna show you one more time. Yarn over the tail, insert same place, pull through 3, pull through 2. I'm gonna make one more double crochet. We made 5 double crochets totally. Now we are gonna turn this to a popcorn. Insert from this first stitch, grab this loop and pull it, then chain 2, insert into the next stitch, make 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lose your loop, insert from this first stitch, grab the loop, pull it, make 2 chains. Insert into the next stitch, make a popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 2. So we are gonna put one popcorn into each stitch. Just turn around. I'll see you somewhere here because I'm gonna show you how to hide this tail too, this one too. Just make a few more. I reach here. Now I'm gonna hide this tail. Just hold it with your fingers and work around it. Make a double crochet. And now give it to the other side and work around these 2 strands together. Five, chain 2, I have 2 stitches left. This one is just like sewing the tail with a needle. one more. Chain 2. Join from the top of this popcorn with a slip stitch, cut the yarn. Now with the yellow, we are gonna start with a standing treble, yarn over twice. Insert from this 2 chain space, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna make one more and I will hide the tail too. For the first one, I'm gonna pull through 3, 2, and 2. Chain 2, make 3 more trebles into same place. 1, 2, 3. Skip this popcorn. Into this next 2 chain space, we are gonna make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Into the next, make 3 double crochets. And into the next, make 3 trebles, 2 chains and 3 trebles. That's our corner again. 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, 1, 2, 3. Into next 2 chain space, put 3 double crochets. Next 3 double crochets. And into the next, make the corner. Just repeat this and don't forget to hide this tail as I showed you. See you at the end. I complete here. While we are joining, we will not use slip stitch this time. Just cut the yarn, use the loop. Just sit, baby. Sit. Okay. Take a needle. It's a big needle, but I have this right now. Now you see, that's my first stitch. Just skip it. Insert into the second stitch. Okay. And now insert in the middle of this last stitch. And close it. Hide the tail. And that's all. Hope you like it. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin Crochet is my Instagram address and it's also my website, Ravelry, Etsy, Pinterest, blah blah. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.